Mobile marketing is flexible. You can do it full-time or just enough to make a supplemental income. These tips will help you understand how to be a successful mobile marketing professional. Begin by assembling a functioning database. Avoid adding nothing but mobile numbers to your database. Customers that wind up receiving your messages without explicitly asking for them are going to be very irritated. You have to get them to opt in. You can get permission by having them fill out a request form on your website. Tip: you must have a proper database built to start a mobile marketing campaign. Avoid adding nothing but mobile numbers to your database. Work for your customers. You need to know what your customer wants in order to properly market them through mobile formats. When you are applying your services in a manner that is not in line with the desires of the customer, you are unlikely to see much profit. The more informed you are about your potential buyers, the more successful you will be in promoting and selling your product or service to them. To stay on track with your mobile marketing efforts, decide what you want to accomplish and write a mission statement that you can stick to. Sticking to your convictions will keep you on the proper path. To improve your own social marketing, keep an eye on your competition's efforts. You must be unique from your competitors. You should always establish a home base for your mobile platform. You need to focus on your home base and the people who visit it, whether they are repeat visitors or arriving for the first time. It is a terrible idea to base your business around your mobile platform solely. When you get involved in mobile marketing, it is quite helpful for you to be somewhat familiar with the design and operation of mobile devices so that you create user-friendly sites and advertisements. Visit the stores that sell these devices and try them out so you will know what your customers are dealing with when they receive your mobile marketing communications. For maximum impact, you should encourage your ads to go viral. They just might pass it on to their friends and greatly increase your mobile marketing reach. Shrewd mobile marketers with talent and know-how gradually execute their mobile marketing campaign, slowly but surely increasing their depth and breadth. You need to do this too. If you started off by texting, move to videos, and then to interactive games. Always take advantage of the technology you can use, and if it is beyond your expertise, hire someone who does understand how each type of technology works. Take advantage of everything possible. Although many people use the text messaging feature on their mobile device to communicate via the internet, not all of them are familiar with the abbreviations that are sometimes used. Someone who cannot make sense out of what you are saying will get frustrated and not read your message. Tip: using mobile marketing is a good way to get profits to soar. Many people use phones to download various apps, or they use them for social networking sites. It should be apparent that mobile marketing is pretty complex. It is the hot new way to promote your business, but it will definitely take a good amount of work and commitment. Use the tips above, and you will soon see positive results. Want more information about this topic? Sign up for our local digital marketing strategies. You can start today. Do you need more traffic? Positive reviews that bring sales? Banner ads to build your brand and promote your products? Social media profile covers for your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other social media? We can do it all for you and at a price you can afford. Contact me today. Iris Carter Collins, Digital Marketing Strategist, 301-604-6953, Laurel, Maryland.